I'm Ashley Esqueda, and we are here checking out something very exciting. We are here with co-founder and CEO of WowCube, Max Filin. How are you?
Nice. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for coming out here to show us the WowCube, which I got a little preview backstage, and it's pretty awesome. If you have been hoping your whole life for the Rubik's Cube to evolve, this is it. I mean, this is pretty neat. So tell us a little bit about how WowCube came about. How did that get started, and what solution is this offering for, and what problem and solution does it have?
All right. So the device we have here, it's looks like the 2x2 version of Rubik's Cube, but instead of being solid color, it's covered with 24 high-resolution screens and the powerful CPU inside. So it's a smart and educational toy designed to play both in physical and virtual realities by twisting, tilting, and shaking.
And can you show it to the camera right here?
Of course. All the icons you can see here are games or application. But before I'll show you how to play it, let me tell you what problem it solves. It's 21st century now. Everybody likes to play, especially kids, but they play on smartphones, tablets, consoles. It's fun, but it's just fun. And moreover, playing on smartphones may be sometimes even harmful because they sit still, hold it close to their eyes. On the other hand, we have classical puzzles like Rubik's Cube, Brain Teaser, something that you can fidget in your hands. It's scientifically proven that Rubik's Cube makes you smarter. But those games became boring for modern kids very fast.
Sure.
So, taking the best from the bright and interesting video games and smart educational, developing dexterity or coordination puzzles, we combine them to one magnificent toy that is designed to hold it in both hands, on the arm's distance, far from the eyes, and always thinking in 3 dimensions.
And we're looking at some B-roll right now of the development process, which you had mentioned earlier. The SDK is available for anybody who wants to develop a game for WowCube can do that?
Yes. Realizing how powerful platform we create, we made the open SDK for independent developers who can make games or applications for the Cube and upload it to our store, which is already available for both Android or iOS. But then I'm talking about applications. I'd like to highlight this is not only for gaming.
Okay.
The Cube is connected to your smartphone using Bluetooth protocol, so it's basically always online. You can put it on the stand when you charge it near your PC and use each of these screens for showing any information you want, like Bitcoin rate, weather in Los Angeles, time in London. You can link it to your Instagram account, and it turns to a digital photo frame.
So every square would be a different picture from Instagram.
It depends on you. You can make one big picture
one
or
big picture
menu,
for small.
course.
Oh, that's cool.
It can be a weather station. Or even you can upload the digital aquarium, like the small pet, like fish or dog, lives in it, and you can put it on this nightstand if your child afraid to sleep in dark.
And they have a little
just
digital
by
fish.
tapping.
They have a little digital fish in there.
Yes, exactly. It can be an element of decor, like sparkling Christmas tree or fireplace. Then while you're not playing it,
put it,
and then you take it and you
then you can play. Okay, so let's. I want to check out one of the games that you have. I know one of them is that I saw on YouTube is a bunch of pipes that you.
No problem. We have about 10 complete games and much more in development. So, where to show? Here?
Oh, right here is good.
Okay. You see the white highlighter, the cursor? Sorry.
Oh, it's got to wake up.
It's a screensaver. By tilting the cube, I goes from one cube to another.
So but with motion, it changes.
No
it's
buttons,
no touch screen.
No touch screens, no buttons. It's designed for small kids and sometimes for older people who don't want to take...
Because intuitively, everybody knows how to use a Rubik's Cube.
Absolutely.
So this is like very simple.
So I go to the pipe, as you mentioned, and shake 3 times.
And then it loads.
It's loading.
Oh, that's great. And it's not too terribly, it's pretty fast to load, which is fantastic.
Oh, well. It's still prototype one.
So I should say this is a prototype device, and we have something very special to show you after we check out this game.
That's why I
But
found out one.
I can see some games that I'm actually familiar with on here, like 2048.
Yeah, we have the some normal games, like popular games that you can implement and change it to use it here. Let's start to, may I reset it?
Yeah,
And show you
please.
how to play. Sometimes it happens, you know.
No, it's all good. So, so I thought it was really interesting that you had said this actually came about from a friend, like a friend's 12-year-old. That was
Yes.
where the idea came from.
The idea belongs to 12 years old teenager, Sava Osipov, who is a friend, or who is a son of my friend. And my friend is a scientist and a computer scientist, an inventor, entrepreneur. So he thought, what if to put characters on the surface of Rubik's Cube and control them by tilting and shaking. So his father realized that this is a great and wonderful idea, and they built the first prototype on the backyard.
How big was it?
It was like this big, and it works under Arduino. It was very slow. After that, we started to make it better and better, and this is almost the final prototype that used the
So
STM.
it's almost the final prototype. Oh my gosh,
Oh, no problem.
Oh.
Let me help you.
my box. It fell. I'm so sorry.
What is it?
Where did it go? Okay.
Here it is.
Oh, he found it. I'm sorry. It rolled away. It's how smart it is. Okay. So I want to show you, I want to show everybody the final product because this, as we mentioned, this is a prototype.
Yes.
And you were lucky enough to see the final version of it, which you were able to get just yesterday. You just got it.
This night we have our friend who came here to show that the version that is already from the mass production, and you see
So
how
that's it.
because this device is much better. We made a lot of research. It's a little bit smaller. It's covered with tempered Gorilla Glass. So if you break it, well, everything can be broken.
But if
it
I
will be difficult.
accidentally throw it on the ground like I just did right now, it's probably safe. So, but this is a huge difference. I mean, this is, if we put them right next to each other, you can see this has quite a bezel on it, and this one has almost nothing, which is really nice, and it's smooth.
and
it really
with much
moves.
more powerful CPU inside,
Okay.
and with all those wireless protocols, everything. Yes, it's
So if I want to get a WOW Cube, what's the price? Where do I go? If I'm
Oh,
interested in
I
learning
reset
more,
it.
it's already reset. Okay, it's reset.
so the pipe games, right?
Yeah,
Shake 3 times.
and it'll load. So so we can go to, where's the website? So
what?
if I want to buy a WOW Cube, where do I
To our
go?
website at the moment, but we're considering the go-to-market strategy at the moment.
Okay, all right.
So
okay, so here's the
you
pipes.
see here the 3D loop of the pipes, and you need to finalize the loop to prevent steam goes out. Like this.
So let's show everybody where the pipes, you can see, you can kind of see these, what's our overhead? Okay, there we go. Oops, sorry, there's a reflection. So you can see you have to match up these pipes so that they're all closed.
Yeah, I need to close them, but the first level, let's say,
Now you solved this first level backstage in about a minute, and I'm telling you, it would have taken me about 45 minutes to solve this. I am not good at Rubik's Cubes. But
so it's
that is
almost-
so cool.
where's, okay, sorry. Now I
It's
see
right
myself.
above us. It's up that way.
Okay. Here is the loop, and I need to finalize it by putting this one here.
Okay.
This is like last turn. And here we go. Once I do, I see the statistics.
Oh,
How
okay.
many
So it tells you
moves?
how much time.
It's a good.
That's great.
it's
That's really
calculated.
cool.
One more twist, the second level.
Yeah.
If I shake it, it goes to the main menu.
Goes
I-
to main menu. Well,
Yeah.
we have some other stuff to show everybody, but I'm super excited about this. This little guy is amazing. I can't wait to get my hands on one. This is like, I mean, literally. How much does it cost?
It pretty much depends on the quantity, of course, and the
Okay.
go-to-market strategy. We're going from the 250 in the beginning.
Okay.
But our goal, a long-term play, is to achieve the console market model. Then we start to get revenue from our app store our WoW store, so we can significantly decrease the
price of the actual product.
actual hardware.
That makes sense. Well, thank you so much, Max, for coming
You're
and showing
welcome.
us WowCube. That is WowCube, everybody.